Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have with me someone who's not just known for her presence on screen, but also her beautiful aura off screen. The gorgeous Nushrat Bharucha. Hi, how are you?
I'm
Up
good.
top, yeah. We are in Noida, Greater Noida. We need that up top, Delhi, Noida energy, you know. So Nushrat, you've already been a part of Ace family and Ace's journey.
Yeah.
It's so good to see you back again, and you're here this time. You're returning for the allotment day of the Ace Nest project. What do you have to say about that?
I genuinely want to say that I've been at the launches of things and I've been at those places where he's shown us what he's going to do next. But I'm here today handing over the actual allotment of the houses to the people who applied for it and who want a house. And I just think it's seeing a whole journey, right? I think this event today is a full circle for me.
Yeah.
Where from concept to visualizing to execution and now finally handing it over.
Yeah.
So ये भी अलग ही experience होगा. I'm excited to kind of see how excited people are to get their houses.
Yeah.
And happy to be a part of that small joy of theirs.
Of course, any day, I think buying a house is an emotion. Very for any family. I think a lot of families have come together to celebrate this moment, a big moment. And also especially Nest, you know, it's all about blending style, design and all of that. So anything that you would like to say for all the proud homeowners today who are going to go back home with this big win today?
I came and I've seen one whole line of cars on both sides of the road, which is just going on and on. हमने इतनी बड़ी line लगी है. So I'm sure the enthusiasm is already evident before you enter this property and this place only. But no, like I said, a house is very personal. Yeah. When you walk into a house, it should feel like this is where I want to live. You're going to be there for the rest of your life.
Of course.
And if people here have identified the Nest Studios as their house, I mean, that's just an emotion that's so pure and so personal.
Yeah.
But I'm happy to be here and celebrate that.
Talking about personal, so of course Nest has its own USP, it's special. If I ask you today, if you were to buy Nest perhaps, what would be that one USP non-negotiable feature that perhaps you are like, this is like me, this is my personal vibe?
I like a balcony, and I like a balcony that's overlooking nothing. Not somebody else's bedroom and house, because that's the problem these days. Every house you're trying to live in, your windows cannot open because you're looking into somebody else's house. But you just look at this. This is just, it's open space.
Yeah.
There's greenery all around. There's just nothing for everywhere.
Yeah.
That for me is like a non-negotiable.
Yeah,
I need to open my window and just see the sky and have wind come in, hear birds chirping, see green.
Yeah.
I need that. I need that nature. So for me,
I completely agree because I think we're a part of that hustle, bustle, everything.
Yeah.
So I think that's something which is not just her USP, I think it's for all of us. Having said that, one thing that you would like to say about Ace, because we know that you've been a part of family since, you know, so many years. Anything that you would like to say to the family?
I've actually been to Ace's 5th, 6th event now. And every time I come, I see a different project being visualized. And I look at how massive it is. And I'm like, pata nahi kab banega. And in 2 years, it's there. And I'm back opening it. And I'm like, ban bhi gaya. And I swear to you, जो मैंने AV में देखा था या जो मैंने एक मॉडल में देखा है, exactly वैसे ही बनता है.
Yeah.
So I think the two things that I would definitely think is their plus point is they deliver on the vision, so you can trust them fully. And two is the fact that they actually execute it and achieve it in that time frame. आज कुछ चीज सोचना और उसे बनाना में इतना वक्त लगता है. But they do it, yeah. Their turnaround time is great, their trustability is great, and you get a quality product.
Yeah.
So I think all of this for me is why Ace is Ace.
Alright, on that note, Nushrat, I think we have just had a little bit chat about Ace and the project. Now it's time to do a little bit fun quiz. Up for it?
Yeah.
Chale? So this is a simple this or that quiz. We're going to know more about how Nushrat's personal vibe is when it comes to home, when it comes to interiors. So let's go for it, alright?
Go.
3, 2, 1. Question number 1. I think we know the answer already, but balcony mornings or garden strolls?
Balcony mode.
For sure. We just spoke about it.
For sure. I need a balcony.
Agreed. Okay. City buzz or peaceful green living?
Peaceful green living any day. No, I don't want city buzz at all.
Any day we are part of it like an every day. Alright. Pilates in a dedicated studio or workout in the full gym setting? Tough one.
I think I'll go with the first one. I like it to be dedicated to what I want to do in that 1 hour. And I think I've slightly started working more towards Pilates. I just like the free-flowing vibe and movement of it. So maybe Pilates.
Alright. Quick dip in the pool or slow coffee on the balcony? I think I know this one too.
Slow coffee on a
Of
balcony.
course. Balcony is always winning, guys, for Nusrat. Like, we know for now. Alright. Private corner to unwind or open space to connect.
Private corner.
ये मतलब सवाल ना सारे आई थी यार.
Don't
Now
switching.
Like, yeah,
I have enough private spaces to connect with people when I go to work. When I come home, I want private spaces.
So I think all the questions lead
that's it?
to
Done?
one. Yeah, all the questions lead to that one important thing, which is quiet, peaceful, surreal vibe. That is equal to Nusrat. That is also,
It's my own private nest.
yeah, exactly. That's also equal to the nest which we are talking about. So Nusrat, you really match the project vibe too.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Well, it is so good to have you here, Nusrat. You have been a spirit as always, such a sporting, lovely spirit. Thank you for joining us. This is Ace Word.